Oh, that tightens. Fucking hell. Weird thing up there. Oh, I'm getting a call, hang on. Hello? You okay? Pardon? Good. Of a mountain. Can you hear me? Oh, I might not have much signal up here. Hello? Sorry, I've probably not got a lot of signal because I'm on top of a mountain. A maniac. Fuckload of... Can you take a photo of me? I'll make sure I look sexy. Love you lots. Put my hand up to him. He's just pulled up and he's just ignored me. So I've definitely upset him. Deary me, I didn't mean to do that. Wow, look at that view, minute, mate. How cool is this road, eh? You alright? Say that again? Can you make a picture of us? Yeah, of course, yeah. No problem at all. There you go. Yeah. GS is probably the most used bike touring, isn't it? Followed by... And then it's probably a V-Strom or something after that, isn't it? Look how many wasps and all around my bike because it's orange. Whoa. Look at that! The cyclist is taking up a fair bit of the road. Do you think he'd like it if I went around the outside now? I think he'd love it. I think he'd... Oh my god, there's not really an opportunity to overtake it. I'm going to wait, I think. Oh, he'd love that. Oh mate, hang on, I'm just going to... Look at that. No, I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to do a gentle... You're all good to overtake. Yeah, you're all good. Yeah, genuinely. Yeah, you're fine. There's nothing. I can't see around the next corner, but you're fine now. Look at that bird. Oh. Oh, Jizzy. Jizzy the bang bang. I'll make sure I get some of these views as well. Look at them views. Tightens it, bit of braking, gently release it, bit of power, bit of upshift, bit of lean, oh hello, bit more power, bit of upshift, oh! Bit of warp brakes, fuck me those brakes. Yeah, boy! Oh, there's shit on the road here, just FYI. Literal shit. Probably from a cow, all those bastards. Oh, hello, careful mate, there's vehicles here at the side of the road. They're doing some sort of gardening work. Yeah, you're all good. Oh, nice tarmac. Oh, it's gone again, never mind. Right hand is a bit tight here. The left is even tighter. More vehicles at the side of the road, done it? Yeah, I don't know quite what the... Oh, the bit of a 50 sign, and I'm not doing that. Thank you. Yeah, they have, yeah. I'm coming in doing 50 miles an hour. I'm like, hello! No, I don't think so. I think it's just literally... I think they're picking it up rather than putting it down. I think they've done their thing. Oh, shit tarmac here. Oh, it's not too... Oh no, it is quite bad. Careful. There's a f***off great camper van here, so just be wary of it. Oh, mate, cobblestones. What the fuck? Oh, mate, they do not feel good. Holy shit. Oh! There's more here, there's more here. It looks like the apexes are now cobblestones for some reason. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh, hello. It's quite a complex road this, though, isn't it? It's really enjoyable to ride. Oh, right, we're going straight, we're going straight. Need to close my visor. Do that now, just mid-corner, like a badass. Oh, fuck. Right, careful there, mate. Fucking hell. I got caught in that bit of ridge then, that wasn't very nice. Oh, what does that mean? What does that mean? Is it really? Mate, that's us done. There's no way to be able to... It did look that way, but how on earth would they find us? Never mind. Well, I've got a baffling, so I'll just say, oh no, I've got a baffling. Our bikes aren't excessively loud anyway. I wouldn't say so anyway. Well, how would it? Because it's there wasn't a camera on it, so I don't know. No, there's no camera on it. I don't think so. Normally they're quite large because they have to be powered by something. He is, yeah. His mate isn't though. His mate's not interested. Oh mate, look, here's your friends. Oh, I would. I'd love a Harley. I'd like one of those trike Harleys, you know, with the 3 wheels. That's what I'd like. Yeah, that'd be great. That's what I'm gonna get next. That'll be quicker down here. Oh, there's no way I'd get a Harley. If I had to get anything like that, I'd just get like a CB750 Cafe Racer. I think it's something like that. Oh yeah, 2 abreast. Yeah, fuck it. Fucking hell. Hell. Fuck, did you see that guy? Yeah, so I have warped my brakes, and I do feel it a little bit going down through these, so I'm just gonna not go absolutely crazy. And also, it seems like the road's really good, and there's a patch where it's a bit shit every now and again. So it's important just to make sure that I'm nice and safe. I don't want to... Oh, hello. Fuck me. See, that's what you don't want to do, is go behind someone slightly slower and not be able to stop in time. Fuck me, I can't find them a bit quicker. Oh my god. Oh. How you do? Wow, amazing bit of road that. Absolutely fantastic, to be honest. Wow. Yeah, really something special. So I'll do, I'll pull in here. Oh, hello. So I'm just going to wait for my mate 2 secs, and then we'll be off again. I'm just going to double check as well where we're going on the map. Hello. Look at that there, look. Yeah, bro. Oh, he didn't even put his hand up. He's got mugged off. And now he's following me, he's going to beat me up. Look at these little plant pots. Plant pots just without any plants. Just gravel. Gravel's nice though. Gravel is my favourite plant. Oh, look, the golden arches calling us. We got ourselves a race here. A race, yeah. Whoa. I won. Oh, I might stop in McDonald's and get a cold drink. You up for that? Hell yeah. Oh mate, it's got a playland. Lovely.